Okay, great. You guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Julie. If you're new, welcome. In tonight's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my June Birchbox. This is a subscription I will not be continuing. I have accumulated so much product over the year and I had to make some cuts. Birchbox, although the last few months were pretty good, it did start off a little not so great, but I only have 4 boxes left of this subscription and I will not be continuing it. For the month of June, their theme was Sunshine, State of Mind. It's all about embracing summer at its brightest. Dewy skin, sun-kissed color, lightweight essentials that keep up with long, sun-filled days. Refreshing cleansers, glowing boosting oils, perfect blush color. Okay, great. Let's just get right into it. That's what we got going on. I'm gonna take this product first. It's like super dusty and scratched from the paper that they use. Oh, it's a shame. The packaging got totally scratched in the box. Doucce Eyeshadow palette. I do believe I chose this item. I really like these gray colors, and I thought this would be perfect to do like a smoky eye with. Leave me like a moon emoji if you guys would like to see a tutorial with this eyeshadow palette. This is the Love of Color One and Done eyeshadow stick in Heavy Petal. Like heavy metal, but heavy petal, like a flower petal. Okay. I feel like I already have this. And it is just like a pretty basic gold eyeshadow stick. Okay. This is from Cosmette Skincare. It is a plum brightening facial oil. The bottle's actually really pretty. I love these amber colored bottles. It has no smell. It literally just smells like oil. Yeah, just like a face oil. Next is the Chlorine Mango Butter Shampoo. It's like a conditioning shampoo. It doesn't really have a smell. It just kind of smells like product. So try that for sure. And then lastly in here, this is the Maybelline Sunkisser Liquid Blush. Liquid Blush in Downtown Rush. Oh wow. It is very peachy kind of color. It's almost like orange. Interesting. Yeah, honestly not super impressed with this Birchbox, especially with the drugstore product. So canceling the subscription. You guys let me know if you got this box. Let me know your thoughts on it. If you have the subscription, if you like it, if you're also gonna cancel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.